Ripe bananas are harvested carefully to ensure perfect quality for the bakery. The harvested fruit is transported from the plantation to the processing facility. Careful transportation ensures the bananas arrive fresh and intact. The banana bread factory spans several acres.
All incoming trucks pass security and quality verification before entering the facility.
The company's brand is visible across the sprawling industrial complex.
Incoming deliveries are staged efficiently to maintain continuous production flow.
Automated systems transfer raw materials directly from trucks to the production conveyors. Each shipment undergoes a final inspection at the dock to maintain high precision. Docking ensures smooth, damage-free unloading of ingredients. All employees adhere to strict safety and hygiene protocols before entering production. Conveyors link the receiving docks directly to the processing lines, minimizing. The factory is designed for efficiency and scale, integrating logistics, production. The facility's scale is evident, built for high-volume automated production. Each shipment is logged and verified before entering the production line.
Bananas are visually inspected, removing any that are damaged or overripe.
Conveyors transport the fruit to the washing station for hygiene and quality assurance. Pre-processing and preparation. Bananas arrive on the conveyor, ready for pre-processing and quality inspection. Air drying ensures bananas are ready for uniform slicing without excess moisture. A final visual and sensor check ensures only perfect bananas are used in production. Bananas are washed to remove dirt and surface residues, ensuring food safety. Drying ensures the fruit is ready for uniform slicing and mixing. Prepared bananas are now ready to be mashed and blended with other ingredients.
Bananas are transported via conveyors to the slicing station for preparation.
Fresh eggs and dairy are carefully handled for hygiene and quality. High-tech sensors ensure only perfectly ripe bananas proceed to baking.
Sliced bananas are ready to be incorporated into the batter.
Bananas are sliced uniformly, ready for blending into the batter. All ingredients converge in precise proportions, flowing toward the industrial mixer. Flour is automatically metered and delivered to the industrial mixers. Sugar is seamlessly added to the blend in precise amounts. Eggs are cracked and combined automatically for hygiene and consistency. Milk and butter are transported directly to the mixers via sanitary piping. All ingredients converge on a single conveyor, feeding the mixer in a controlled flow. The mixer ensures a uniform batter, ready for the next production stage.
The smooth batter is transported via conveyor to the baking line.
Internal logistics ensure timely supply of ingredients across the factory. Flour and sugar are accurately metered and delivered for blending.
Eggs are cracked and added automatically, minimizing contamination and ensuring consistency.
Dairy products are transported directly to mixers for seamless integration into the batter.
Operators ensure smooth operation and consistent quality during pre-processing.
Pre-processed ingredients are now ready for the core mixing stage, forming the base of the banana bread batter.
The industrial mixer starts combining flour, sugar, eggs, dairy, and bananas into a uniform batter. All ingredients are delivered seamlessly into the mixer, maintaining precise ratios.
The mixer jacket maintains precise temperature for perfect banana bread texture.
Operators monitor batter consistency, adjusting speed and timing as needed.
Once mixed, the batter flows directly to the depositing conveyor for portioning.
Portioning ensures each banana bread loaf is consistent in size and weight.
After mixing, the mixer undergoes automated cleaning to maintain hygiene standards.
Operators ensure each mold is filled perfectly before baking begins.
Weight sensors confirm portion accuracy, ensuring uniformity across every loaf. Batter-filled molds are transported directly to the ovens, maintaining continuous production flow. The core mechanical processing integrates mixing, portioning, and conveyor logistics for efficient production. Portioned batter enters high-capacity industrial ovens, starting the baking transformation. The batter rises and browns uniformly, forming the classic banana bread texture. Freshly baked loaves exit the oven, ready for controlled cooling and finishing.
Cooling fans bring loaves to optimal temperature for handling and packaging. Inspectors remove any loaves that don't meet quality standards.
Loaves are carefully removed from molds without damaging their shape.
Robotic trimming ensures each loaf has a consistent, professional finish.
Extended cooling stabilizes the loaves, ensuring perfect texture before packaging.
High-tech scanners provide a final quality check to guarantee uniformity and appearance.
Weight sensors confirm each loaf meets strict production standards. Robotic guides arrange loaves uniformly, preparing them for efficient packaging. The main transformation stage integrates baking, cooling, trimming, and alignment, turning raw batter into perfectly shaped banana bread loaves. Robotic arms pick loaves with precision, reducing manual handling and maintaining hygiene. High-speed sensors and robotic sorters ensure every loaf meets size specifications. A precise glaze is applied automatically, giving the banana bread a polished appearance. Robotic guides ensure loaves are perfectly spaced for efficient downstream processing. Automated labeling ensures each loaf is properly branded and ready for retail packaging.
Robotics arrange loaves into trays, optimizing space for efficient packaging. Shrink wrapping protects loaves while maintaining a clean, professional finish. Automated pallet transport ensures smooth, fast movement within the factory.
Smart routing diverts pallets efficiently, optimizing logistics for shipping. Automation integrates precision robotics with continuous conveyors, maintaining speed, accuracy, and hygiene throughout the production process. Automated brushes smooth the loaf surface, giving each banana bread a consistent, professional finish.
Robotic alignment ensures each loaf is perfectly positioned for inspection and packaging. High-precision scanners identify imperfections that might compromise quality.
Each loaf is weighed to ensure uniformity across every batch.
Advanced sensors verify that each loaf has the proper texture, moisture, and bake quality.
Operators ensure that only the highest quality loaves move forward to packaging.
Robots load trays with precision, maintaining consistent presentation and minimizing handling.
Minor edge imperfections are corrected automatically, ensuring perfect symmetry and appearance. Loaves are cooled and stabilized, ready for the final quality check before packaging.
Label verification ensures branding is precise and readable on every loaf.
Trays are adjusted for optimal fit and alignment, preparing them for automated pallet stacking. Precision and calibration systems guarantee that every loaf meets the highest quality and visual standards before packaging.
Every batch of banana bread enters the quality control lab for rigorous testing.
Trained inspectors verify that appearance and texture meet strict standards.
Moisture and texture tests confirm that loaves are perfectly baked and consistently soft.
High-precision weight and density checks guarantee uniformity across every loaf.
Samples are tested for microbial safety to ensure the product is safe for consumption.
Final optical scans detect any minor defects before products are cleared for shipment.
Taste tests verify flavor consistency across batches.
Barcodes ensure traceability for every loaf, maintaining accountability in production. Temperature sensors confirm loaves are cooled and safe for handling. Supervisors provide final sign-off, ensuring only perfect loaves move forward.
Comprehensive quality control integrates visual inspection, lab testing, and automated verification to ensure every loaf meets premium standards.
Robotic arms box the loaves efficiently, maintaining hygiene and precision. Stacked pallets optimize space and streamline warehouse logistics for distribution.
Pallets are stored and prepared for shipment, ready to deliver fresh banana bread to stores worldwide.
From raw bananas to packaged loaves, every step is optimized for